glasses and you will overfly Holland, and then you have a real experience. It's fantastic. I recommend you highly. Don't think I have commission because I don't care. They don't even know me. Well, but it is a must for you, okay? Canal cruise and that, and then you will see Holland, the Netherlands, and you will come back for sure. Guaranteed. This what you see in here, this was an inner sea. All this. This was a sea. The Southern Sea. Yeah? We have a surrounding by a lot of fishermen places, but you have no time to visit. What are you going to do after this 3 hours and you come back here? What is going to happen with where are you going? After this, what are you going to do?
You mean after 2 hours?
Yeah, after 3 hours, your departure. Where are you going?
Brussels.
You go to Brussels?
Yeah.
Oh, why? You come so far and you only spend some hours in here? Why?
Because we have good hotel and other things there. I have been staying there for 4 days.
In Brussels?
Yeah.
That's not right. That's not okay. Because we have so much more to offer. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Mumbai, India.
I know, but you could be a resident in the States or
That,
England. You're not. You're from Bombay. I know about Bombay a little bit.
Yeah.
I know they are dancing a lot in there, and I had a lot of Indian clients.
Yes.
They're
There
nice,
are many
happy people.
in IT companies and other
Yes,
companies.
we
They
do
are
have a
Indian.
lot. We have a lot of immigrants in here, yes. And also about the colonies and so on.
Yeah, right.
So take a look. That's the building I'm telling you about. That one in there. There's a swimming there. But I think the other one with the flag behind it, that's more interesting because then you overfly the Netherlands. It's really like an attraction in Disneyland, you know? It's worth it. So this is not really this is old part, but not so old yet. So this central station is all built on great land, like this also, because this was an inner sea before. Big ships were coming here. You haven't seen them because I have some galleons when we went in 1500 to conquest America, India,
I know.
and we brought a lot of good things
We know.
because we do not have so much resources in here, natural resources. So we have to go, and we were pirates by then.
Especially agricultural products, spices,
Absolutely, and that we brought it in here.
gold,
And
diamond,
there we
silver.
took all the rich things from
I
your
know.
countries, and then we say we claim it's ours.
Hey, you can go to the British Museum, that is India.
Yes, I know.
That's all India.
That's it.
Yeah.
So this was really a fisherman place, very rude and fun. This was our original. To convey our enemies. Because that's what we used the water also. You know, when they invaded, our history, we had 80 years with war with Spain.
I didn't know that.
Our first king was Napoleon. So we had to stop them to come in, and we opened some dikes, you know, so the water could come in, and they could not come in with their horses to Spain, you know, or with their canyons. We had to flood them all in the fields. So we used the water for several benefits. The energy, a lot of wind energy. Oh, this is a very good question, because this whole Amsterdam was a lot of windmills. To drain this had to be done by windmills.
So you mean the wind energy?
The windmills have several purposes. They are to grain seeds, like we brought from India and from Africa, wherever. Cinnamon and pepper, whatever,
All spice.
everything. The windmills are for graining, for draining, for sowing the root from the field. Where are you from? Okay, yeah. Pirates also, you know. So. Oh, and one question. Do you know the danger in Amsterdam?
Bicycle.
Good.
Bicycle.
So you had good instructions. Look to the right, to the left, and to the right again.
Nice. So, how about the weather? I mean, what is the month you get? Much cool.
It's colder the whole year. The whole year is cold. Now we are very lucky.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we have 180 nationalities in here. Everybody speaks English.
Yes.
And then we have so many other, you know. So there are so many things to see. You can never do that in 3 hours. No way. You need 3 days. Something like that, you know.
Actually, we have been in the last 4 days.
And that's not a good decision.
Actually, I had a business trip, so I cannot.
So, like in India, a lot of bicycles, huh?
Yeah, that's
Yes.
so many.
Yes.
So,
And they are monsters, you know. We are very pacific people, but when we ride a bike, we are no humans. I tell you.
yes.
I speak for myself, you know.
Yeah, you're right.
Yes. Careful.
So, you are native here?
I'm Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Where I grew up,
Actually, most of the hotels often like this, and others.
you work in you work?
No, I actually, my field is the material science engineer. So I was as a professor in something. Actually, I came from Odia, but I did my PhD in IIT Bombay in India. Then after my PhD, I became a faculty in South India. So from
Nice.
Korea, we came here for a business trip.
Well, then you see something of the world, right?
Also have a responsibility for retail here. Beach, right?
Busy university.
Yeah,